1 minute, please. Let's search on YouTube for amazing financial profits. Here's a video from this channel topping the search results. We're searching again for the secret of success on YouTube. Also, this video is leading the search results. Why did these channels surpass and top the search results, despite being new channels with less than 6 months old and fewer subscribers compared to those big channels, including a video from Abu Fala channel? The reason behind that is attributed to mastering YouTube SEO, which is considered crucial in this context. Some may think this matter is complicated and requires specialized courses, especially with some YouTubers offering SEO courses, but this is a catastrophe and a waste of time. In this video, I'll explain everything about YouTube SEO, and after watching it, you'll be an expert in this field, and I'm not exaggerating when I say that. YouTube SEO consists of only 3 elements: video title, video description, and keywords. The title is very important, and the video description is also important, while keywords are less important for ranking in search results. This is not my opinion, but YouTube's.
Your video's title, thumbnail, and description are more important pieces of metadata for your videos.
So, let's divide this video into 3 parts. The first part, the title. The second part, the description. The third part, keywords. You're allowed to write 100 characters as a video title, but that's too much because not all the characters will be fully displayed. Therefore, the video title should be less than 80 characters to display well on mobile phones and computers. If your channel is about gaming or any other field, the video title should contain 3 main elements. The video topic. A word or phrase searched on YouTube related to the video topic. A word or phrase aimed at stirring viewers' emotions. All this should be less than 80 characters. For example, in this video, I'm talking about YouTube SEO, which is the video topic, so I'll write Master YouTube SEO as the video topic. We're done with the first step. The second step, search for a word or phrase on YouTube with high search volume. I'll use the TubeBuddy tool to determine the search volume. Go to the Keyword Explorer and search. After the search, I found that the phrase topped the search results on YouTube is optimal and has a high search rate. The third element is something that appeals to the viewer's emotions, and the purpose of this phrase is to increase the click-through rate. My friend, views come from real people, not robots, so this element is very important. Think about it for a moment. Alright, the only solution to get millions of views as the title. Let me check how many characters are there. So, I'll delete the word YouTube and also to make it Master SEO to top the search results on YouTube. The only solution to get millions of views. Now, the word count is 75, of course. If you're not convinced, you can ask for help from ChatGPT. But in this example, I'm satisfied, and this will be the title of the video you're watching now. Was it difficult? Of course not. I believe a 10-year-old student can create a professional title. Now, you've become an expert in the first part. Let me summarize this part for you. The title should consist of 3 phrases. A phrase that explains the video topic. A phrase searched on YouTube related to the video topic. A phrase that appeals to emotions. And the title should be less than 80 characters. Let's move on to the description first. Let's see what YouTube says about the description.
Descriptions tell the YouTube algorithm and your viewers what the video is about. You can think about the description as 2 parts. What viewers see before clicking, show more on desktop or more on mobile, and what they see after.
So, we will use all the keywords and phrases in the description. There are 2 methods. The first one is manual. In the search box on YouTube, you type the first word, and phrases with significant searches will appear automatically. As for the second method, it's easier and saves time and effort. It's using the TubeBuddy tool. You type a word related to the topic, and it shows you phrases. With a click of a button, you copy all the phrases and save them in a Word file. We still have 1 step left for the description, but we need to complete the third part, which is the keywords. Then, we'll come to the description and complete the final step. Now, we've reached the third part, which is the keywords. You're allowed to write up to 500 characters for keywords, but I advise not to deviate from the video's topic and use 10 to 20 relevant words, which are sufficient. We'll take these keywords from the TubeBuddy tool and copy them. We finished this part now. And let's not forget to paste the keywords in the description box and complete the final step for the description. Here, we specify all the search phrases and keywords. Then, we go to ChatGPT and ask for a brief description using these phrases and words. Now, the description is also ready. Now let me tell you about the TubeBuddy tool. You'll find its link in the description of this video. When you click on the link, it'll take you to the website's page. Now, log in using any email you have. Then click on the link to add TubeBuddy to your channel. Log in using your channel's email and password. Of course, this is a reliable add-on, but to analyze your channel's data, it needs to be connected to your channel. After installing the add-on on your channel, you'll see the TubeBuddy icon like this. TubeBuddy has free features, but to benefit from all the features, I recommend purchasing the paid version. You might know a website that gives you free keywords and another that gives you phrases. But I don't recommend these sites, let me tell you why. Because as a successful YouTuber, you have a lot of tasks. The idea, the scenario, editing, SEO, and interacting with your channel's subscribers. SEO shouldn't take more than 15 minutes. The easier you make it for yourself, the more likely you'll continue on this platform and achieve your goals. Furthermore, when you buy a TubeBuddy membership, you'll get a free subscription to Audio Hero, where you'll get thousands of music tracks without rights for free. Also, YouTuber Tools is a website that offers you customizable video templates for free. The price of this tool for a full year is $43, and until the end of this month, use this code to get a 30% discount. Or if you have less than 1,000 subscribers on your channel, using this coupon will give you a 50% discount. And this is really great, just for about $22. You'll have all these features for a full year. Even if you've gained thousands of subscribers, you won't pay more for this year. I forgot to tell you that this tool also has a great affiliate program. You can apply for the affiliate program and get a special link. Then copy this link into your video's description to earn a commission when someone subscribes through your link. Now let's continue. And when you finish uploading the video on YouTube, click on Studio C, then press New. It will ask you for a target phrase here, so we'll write the phrase we chose in the title. Finally, click on Apply Video, and the video will be ready for publishing. I'm sure the results will be great, but if you don't top the search results, it's because of other factors that directly affect ranking, such as the video's click-through rate, watch rate, and like rate. I'll talk about these points in the upcoming videos, so don't forget to subscribe to the channel to receive important information and files. I wish you success. See you in the next video. Goodbye.